Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 1-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot K-19 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. So when you take a first step in this house, you'll notice that this living room is really nice and large. You've got a lot of light coming through the windows here, you can see. You've got this nice fan at the top there. Here's what it looks like from the outside. And these windows are thermal pane windows, which keeps the hot air in during the winter and the cold air in during the summer. Here is the thermostat. Here's the kitchen. I think the stainless steel appliances, which are all brand new, look really, really great with the white cabinets. Here we have the refrigerator. Right here you can see that subway tile backsplash. The dishwasher. And this sink has an extending nozzle. Here's the microwave. And here is the stove oven combination. So on the top here you have the stove and then the oven, and right underneath you've got a little heating tray. And right here is where we keep all the warranties for all the appliances because they're all brand new. Here is the furnace. And this is responsible for the forced hot air and central air conditioning. This is the second door. And this is the view from the outside of the house here. So this house also comes equipped with outside water and electric. Here's the bathroom. Got a window there. Here's the shower with the double bypass doors, and you've got 2 seats in there. Here's that sink from a different angle. You can see you've got a little hand tile hanger there. Right here is where you can put your stackable washer and dryer. And then right across from it, we have the electrical panel. Now this is just like any other regular house. It's 100 amps. And here is the bedroom. So we'll take a look in the closet real quick. It runs pretty much the whole length of this wall here. There's 2 screens in there that are extra for you. And then right in that white box, you have the whole house shutoff valve. And This labeling right here just shows that this house is Energy Star certified, which means that it's very energy efficient. Here's that shutoff valve. And then this door right here, we have the water heater. So if you'd like to inquire about one of our homes, please go to www.myhomeincarteret.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you updates on any new houses that we list or make available, and it will get you on the path to owning one of these houses. Thank you. Have a good day.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception. Here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the Turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey. And this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office. This is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet. It's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1 bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.